Okay.
What's up?
I gotta go on here.
Person that took off his exhaust and had the idea was me in the back.
Oh, we're good.
Hey, what's up? We're going to Rancho. Hi. Justin just heard your car, he thinks. He's like, oh my god. he knows because you're gunning it. He's like, holy shit, what's that sound? Oh!
Well, thanks for telling me it's illegal after the fact. That's awesome.
Yeah. Shit, we're gonna blow! It doesn't. We're like oh, we need the window open now.
Ready?
It's your left light up ahead. Recording now. You zoom in with this.
Okay, I'm not stupid. I know how to.
I'm stupid.
Well, apparently you're not shooting the right direction.
He's just filming himself.
You want?
Oh, she's looking, dude.
Dude, she thinks you're a dumbass.
Rub it all the way, dude.
No, as soon as it turns green, I was gonna go for it.
Just looking at your car and laughing.
She's laughing.
Wanna go?
Yeah, do it.
I'll film you from now. So wait, narrate.
Can't get out, dude.
So
Leave
just
your
say,
wallet, though.
dude.
Leave your
say
wallet.
what he's doing. Narrate.
Do it.
Narrate.
Accent now.
No, do it.
Oh, he's a pussy.
Fucking car, do it. Because when she rejects you, at least be like, all right, fine. And just leave it with the fucking loud car. Just do it.
Or John, you gotta do it because you're the driver.
All right, you're last. All right.
No, dude, I
You
was.
said you would do it. Go.
Nose goes.
We already
We already did.
No, you never said it.
I did say nose goes.
No, you didn't.
He did.
She's probably already taken.
I don't know.
That's the funny thing.
She has a nicer car than you do, so maybe she's rich.
It's a new Jetta
I'm
too.
gonna ask her when it rolled down.
Oh, she's leaving. Damn, you missed out.
Oh, look at her. Oh, nice.
Oh, damn, you're not. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Did you zoom in?
I zoomed in.
Oh, she's going in.
Can I get your number?
Justin, shut up.
I told you I would ask.
You have to go up to her though. Okay, gun it up there, so
No, dude, you gotta gun it when you're turning because you
right.
can really feel out.
Is that a grip?
All right, which way?
Right.
And then you take a left at the light.
dude, windows down, dude.
No, dude, it's cold as hell.
Put the heater on.
Windows down, or I need ventilation here. Left.
Left?
Watch out for the Mercedes.
Left? You're about Honda with the
Dude.
sunsets?
Yeah.
Let's take. Yeah, park it like.
Where?
Park in the golf course.
No.
Yeah.
Where do I park?
I don't know.
Behind that FedEx.
Park it like next to the beach or like at Moonlight. Yeah, Moonlight.
Yeah, Moonlight's perfect up at the top.
Yeah, park on the top parking lot at
Can you not
Moonlight.
take a picture of the side that has the crash on it?
Okay, angle it so we don't do that. Whoa, that looks like fire out there.
Oh my god, whoa. So do I get in the left lane?
No, you're just gonna
Can.
go all the way down the hill.
Oh, so just straight?
Yeah.
Okay.
Moonlight's the beach, by the way.
Oh my god,
If you
that's
didn't-
awesome.
Yeah.